Hello friends, today's topic, this mutual fund SIP 10,000 is now 25 crores. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is Financial Education of Society. Recently, history was created by mutual fund scheme in India. Its NAV crossed rupees 4,000 per unit mark in the regular plan. The name of the fund is Nippon India Growth Fund Growth. It was started in October 1995 at an NAV of rupees 10. It was first called Reliance Growth Fund when Anil Ambani Group owned Reliance Mutual Fund. Later they sold the business to Nippon Group, which is a Japanese financial services company. Nippon India Growth Fund journey has been fantastic and inspirational. Following are the various details about it. Nippon India Growth Fund growth, type of fund, mid-cap fund, started as a large cap fund, current AUM 30,839 crores, launch date 8 October 1995, current NAV rupees 3,973 on 18 July. This scheme is the third largest scheme in the mid-cap category based on assets managed. Nippon India Growth Fund growth returns. 1 year, approximate returns per annum 57.84%, category average 53.39. 2 years, approximate returns per annum 41.91% and category average 37.31%. 3 years, approximate returns per annum 28.43% and category average 24.41%. 5 years, approximate returns per annum 29.43%, category average 27.15%. 10 years, approximate returns per annum 19.66%, category average 18.95%. Since inception, approximate returns per annum 23.1% and category average 23.02%. Value of investment in Nippon India Growth Fund since inception. Lump sum investment at launch time 1000 rupees would get you 4 lakhs now. 10,000 rupees would give you 40 lakhs and 1 lakh at the time of inception will give you 4 crores now. SIP per month since inception. 1000 rupees SIP per month from inception. Today's value 2.55 crores. 10,000 rupees since inception SIP today is 25.58 crores. Nippon India Growth Fund growth, more details. Number of stocks held in the scheme 95. Holdings in large cap stocks 13.47%. Holdings in mid cap stocks 50.34%. Holdings in small cap stocks 11.27%. Total invested in stock market 98.5%. Nippon India Growth Fund growth yearly performance. 2014 yearly returns 54.87%. 2015 6.35%, 2016 3.51%, 2017 44.22%, 2018 minus 10.9%, 2019 6.78%, 2020 22.05%, 2021 46.46%, 2022 5.81%, 2023 48.61%, 2024. Now we are looking at the figures. So the mutual fund has actually managed to beat the Nifty Midcap 150 index 4 times out of 10 years. Nippon India Growth Fund growth top holdings currently. Power Finance Corporation 3.3%, Cholamandalam Finance Holding 2.89%, Supreme Industries 2.33%, Prestige Estates 2.29%, Persistent Systems 2.2%, Voltas Limited 2.2%, Federal Bank 2.13%, Fortis Healthcare 2.03%, Varun Beverages 2.01%, NTPC 1.86%, Samvardhana Motherson 1.84%, Bharat Forge 1.84%. The long-term performance of the fund has been fantastic and is one of the best performing funds in the long term. However, what is not seen in the long-term journey is plenty of ups and downs which would have made the investors to doubt their investments or sell due to lack of performance in some periods. There are few people who would hold the stocks and mutual funds over 20 to 30 year period. However, this shows that if we are smart and lucky enough to select a good fund, Invest with discipline and hold on to it patiently for long term. Huge wealth can be created in mutual funds too. End of the video, here's the question. Do you have the mental strength to hold these stocks in mutual funds even when it does not perform for 3 to 5 years? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of the channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.